Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for BitPay. To sign up for a BitPay account, first of all, go ahead and open a web browser on your computer, or you can also directly open up the BitPay application on your device. After opening up a web browser, type in bitpay.com and search. Once you end up in the official website for BitPay, click on the Get Started button at the top right-hand corner to start up the sign-up process. You will then end up in this welcome page where you'll need to choose how would you like to use BitPay. You can use BitPay for personal use or business use. Click on any one option that is available on the page according to your choice and then fill in the rest of the details. That is your first name, last name, email address, and password. If you selected business option, you will then need to enter your business details such as your business legal name, selecting a country, industry, organization type, and so on. Simply enter your information correctly in the text boxes. Make sure to enter a valid email address and then create a password for your account. After creating a very strong password for yourself, click on I agree box, and then if you want to receive promotional emails from BitPay, make sure you check on this next box as well. Finally, click on Submit. You will then need to go ahead and check your email inbox in order to receive a verification link. Open up a new tab and log into your email service provider's inbox. You will then receive an email from BitPay. Click it Open. Once you click Open the email, click on Complete Verification and your email will be verified and you will be able to create a new account for BitPay as well. Now you can log in with your same email address that you just verified along with the password that you just created for your BitPay account. And that's how you easily create an account for BitPay. Once your account is set up, you can start using BitPay for sending, receiving, or managing cryptocurrency. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.